Gorbel hoists can be utilized with three types of suspension. When ordered with a workstation crane, the hoist comes fully equipped with a single-hole suspension plate for quick attachment to the trolley. Single-hole suspension plates can be utilized with Gorbel hoist trolleys as well as other single cross-pin type trolleys. For jibs, the double-hole suspension matches perfectly with the Gorbel trolley to provide a secure fit for the hoist with Gorbel I-beam wide flange. If you plan on moving your hoist among various locations regularly, a rigid upper hook is readily available. The hook mount can be utilized with all of Gorbel's workstation hoist trolleys or other types of trolleys for hook mounts. To attach, the pins bolt kits are only to be used. Never use bolts. The reason being, the pins allow movement of the suspension plates or the hook mount within the hoist body. Bolts can cause undue stress on the lugs in the body. Please note, there is an orientation of these plates on the suspension plates or the hook mount which is dependent on single or double fall chain arrangements.